We are here outside 8063 Escola in Navarre and just wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of this property. Again, just over the $300,000 price point. And as you can see, right down the street from the school, very close to the post office, lots of shopping. You got nice big lots here and no HOA. It's one of the big appealing factors is there's no HOA and you've got almost half-acre lots, 100 by 200. It's just under half an acre. So let's take a look at this house. My name is Scott Gregory with eXp Realty. I've been selling real estate here in the area for more than 20 years. And this house has a VA Assumable loan on it at 3.875%, excuse me. And so basically, if you can qualify for a loan, you can qualify for a low interest rate, and that would save you a ton of money. If you're interested in this house, we know how to do assumptions. We have a partner that specializes in them. So if you are interested in that, definitely reach out to me. You can reach me at 850-677-1630, call or text. And we'll talk to you about assumptions and how that can get you a dramatically lower rate. Let's get a nice big great room here with a cathedral ceiling. Breakfast nook. Kitchen's been redone in recent years. You've got cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Lots of laminate flooring throughout. Done not too long ago. Roof was just put on this house a few years ago. Got your washer and dryer, and they do convey with the property. All the appliances come with it. Some nice cabinets up above. Nice big garage. The seller is willing to leave both the riding and the push lawnmower with an acceptable offer. And you've got a split bedroom plan. We're going to take a look at the master bedroom here. Nice big master bedroom. Master bath has been updated in recent years as well. New sink, new cabinets. And you've got a big walk-in closet. So if you'd like a tour of this home, reach out to me. Again, my name is Scott Gregory, and I can be reached at 850-677-1630, and I'd be happy to give you a tour. Paver patio in the back with a little fire pit. Nice big yard. Most of it is fenced via the neighbors, so it wouldn't be a problem at all to finish off the fencing here. You got a covered patio. Hope you enjoyed it. Come take a look.